Hello and welcome again with SS, my dear students. Chapter 19, Human Development. One of the most important chapter for your life too. Human development. Only developing your physique means your body. Your developing mind is human development. Yeah, our ancestors from our ancestors, as you all know, that it has been proven that they were monkeys and then gorillas, then don't know which type of creatures, and then came to man. First of all, they were using raw food and then raw vegetables and meat, and they used to kill animals, and then they developed with weapons, then becomes languages. These all things you all have gone through in your I think so primary section. These all things about human, how human was working, how they came into existence, and then how they were developed themselves, how their intellectual ability developed. No doubt you all are intelligent, me too. We all human beings are more intelligent and dangerous animals in the world. Humans are dangerous animals in the world. But this criteria, this chapter is derived in another form. Our development, human development all over the world, all over the globe, we can say. But how it changed? In which another criteria that I am going to say you which criteria is mentioned in this thing. Which of these criteria is that? So let's begin. If you are interested in this thing, means this is one part of economic. Is it part of economics? I don't know. Which type of development? Again, I would like to ask you a question. I know you are not interested in this all things, but let's continue on page number 160. It's compulsory for you to be with your text as I am going through text, just reading over. I cannot explain more in front of this camera. If you all might be in front of me, it will be a blessing to me to be with you. So let's begin. Change is rule of life. The first line here. Chapter 19, Human Development. Change is rule of life. An infant grows slowly into an adult. From the phase of primitive man, man has developed into present complicated social arrangement. Obviously, we are in a particular social, we have arranged ourselves in a social system, we can say. Different types of system. Somebody might be in another system, type of social system, mean, and you all, others. So, we are in different arrangement of a socialistic system, we can say. Social and system and economy system. Social system and economic system have also developed in different forms. Economic, which developed to maintain a record of economy, production and consumption, income and expenditure, profit and loss, has started becoming a scripture of physical well-being and human development in 60 to 70 years. In this last 60, 70, 100 years, yes, we have developed in a particular system. Most probably we used to see the development in economic system. Economically developed. Obviously it develops a bit. Social system also developed with economic system. We are going through profits and loss, expenditure, spending, getting, earning, lots and lots of processes being done over that. A lot of difference is there between two countries, there in the equality of life of people in different countries of the world. Not only between two countries, differences are seen even between two regions of the country. In order to improve quality of life, there is a need to satisfy basic requirement like food, clothing and shelter. What we need? Basic our requirement is food. This is not parrot. I know you all will laugh. Those who are watching this thing, this is not parrot, and became somewhat like parrot, like might be sparrow. So basic need, what we need basically, food, clothing and shelter. Am I right? I don't think I am right. According to you all, means according to this new generation, basic needs, clothing you need, food you need, shelter you need. These are basic, but more than that basic thing, superbly, highly, we can say one word, I forgot that word. Yeah, it's in my heart, not coming in. Upgraded, latest version of mobile, lots and lots of data per day. 10 GB, 20 GB is not enough. Now it has become basic need of my students, my youngsters, we can say. More than 2 or 3 or 4 lakhs cost of bike. Then other thing you understand, boys especially, what you all need. Hookah bars and many things. I cannot just, because my girls are also watching this all videos. Even parents might be also going through. So these basics needs are changed. For this, what you need? Mummy, Papa, you need. Yeah, money of your parents you need. What do you need? Economical growth. Without this, without economic, without any capital, money we can say, you cannot go through this thing. These all things that are, these things are common for every people in the world need. Food, clothing and shelter. But extravagant you need these all things. Before this thing you need that thing. How? You have to develop. And that is you are part of human development. As per I think that is a part of human development. How I will go through further. In order to improve quality of life, there is a need to satisfy basic requirement, food, clothing and shelter. Afterwards, need of education, health, entertainment, etc. arise. In this chapter, we shall study about human development and what is the condition of India in Human Development Index. Another one came, Human Development Index. Index, what do you indicate by index? What could you get by index? That index you are showing to your teacher. I don't know if you have the criteria or not, but the first page, something is there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Some chapters are there. That is the index. We as a human being, we are correlated to this index. You all might also having your particular index, your schedule. We can say waking up in this wintry season we can say, somewhat wintry season. Waking up at about might be 9, 10, 11, 12, somebody. Optional for girls. Then your routine system, breakfast to late night, watching movie, yeah, some serials, yeah, many things. So it indicates different things. So there is an index. What is human index? How it is counted? Then we will go for. Let's begin. Now, what is the meaning of human development? Sometimes I am surprised that this is written by me. While I am finishing my this session, I am going and sitting on the bench having some biscuits over there. I am just thinking, oh, it's my handwriting. I just can't imagine these are my handwritings. So sometimes God graces each and everybody. But try. I have tried something. You also try to improve your handwriting. It's shameful to say this thing to just my 10th standard students. So let's begin. Meaning of human development. So what is the meaning? That this term is often used by agencies of media. Human development, human development, human development. These are most probably used by the agencies of media, political leaders, different institutions and government. The term human development is used for expansion of human capacity, prevalence of preferences, development of freedom and human rights. So what does human development means? It means expansion of human capacities. What are your capacities that you have? There is an expansion of human capacities. Prevalence of preference. What does it mean? 100% if you all would be in class today, I would have asked this thing. What is prevalence of, what was the word? Preferences. What are your preferences? Let the train go. What does prevalence mean? Here it is written prevalence of preferences, fulfillment of preferences. What do you prefer? Oh, sir, I prefer this and that. I prefer this and that. I prefer this. I prefer that. Many things are there. Then development of freedom and human right. Human development. There is development of freedom and human right. Human development gives indication of many other things other than education, health, nutrition and controlling resources. Human development gives indication of many other things other than education, health, nutrition and controlling resources. So many things are indicated in development of human development. Human development is a process of extending human aspirations and essential substance services UNDP. What will be the UNDP? Another one what came. Human development is a process of extending human aspirations and essential substances services. Yes, what it is? As I ask you for the not only this, only for this thing we have to work. For food, just work for sabji, roti, dal, chawal, and other things. veg, non-veg, etc. Then clothing, good clothing, jeans, t-shirt, shirt, pant, etc. Whatever you are using, kurta, pajama, sari, salwar, kameez, etc. Shelter, small hut, then house, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK, 5 BHK. Shahrukh Khan, Ambani, means Mukesh Ambani. Shahrukh Khan, Ambani. Somebody will say, sir, Shahrukh Khan is surname Ambani. No. Shahrukh Khan, Mukesh Ambani, many other stars are there, creators are there. They are owning full one big, super big, not bungalow but building. So for that they are working. And that is called human development. No, human development is a man-centered access in the direction of development. It is a man-centered access in the direction of development. Again, I would like to repeat. Human development is a man-centered access in the direction of development. Objectives of human development is to create same conditions for everybody's life so that people may lead significant and creative life according to their talent. Not only the particular person's development. Not only Mahendra Singh Dhoni, yeah, you can say Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar's development. Human development means development of each and everybody so that they can live a particular successive life. Here it is written, and life according to their talent. Each and everybody, we all us have a particular talent in us. Some are good in dance, some are good in drawing, some are good in writing. Writing I don't know. Some are good in making fun of others. Many things. Some are talkative. And some are nervous. The whole lifetime they are nervous. Apart from that, we are having different type of talent within. Apart from teacher, I am a cook. I am a very good bathroom singer. So, I am a singer, but I am a bathroom singer. In bathroom, I can sing fluently, superbly, melodiously. No doubt, once upon a time, I was a stage singer. But some talent is there within me. So, more than me, you are the young generation, you are the future India. You are also having a lots and lots of talent within you. Yes, you assume, you all assume. You are very good in English. You all know, you understand English. But the talent of taking out, throwing your English, we can say, is what? Is compressed, is pressed. Again the point came, you might be thinking that sir is hurting us. No, I am not hurting. I know you all know better grammar than me. Because you all have learned updated things. Before some years, I was in my school days and this whole thing. At that time, my teachers were updated? No. Whether the knowledge was updated? No, it was not updated. But now, updation of each and everything. So you all have learned till this 10 year, 12 year, 9 year, whatever years you are going through this language, you all have learned the updated language. And we, the teachers, no doubt, we are in a particular way, we had not learned that updated language. We were with old scenarios. We were not having mobiles, nothing, even not landline also. So you can understand. So here, to take out your talent and live. Earlier, human development was evaluated on the basis of economic development only. Per capita income was considered as the only measure for human development. All the nations of the world concentrated on increasing their gross national product. However, despite achieving economic success, there was no change in the lifestyle and quality of life of the people. So earlier, what it was depended on only how much you earn per capita income. For example, how per capita income is counted? Income divided by members of the family. Income divided by members of the family indicates the per capita income. Understood? First of all, what it was? GDP. Growth development. How much they have. But the lifestyle was the same. No doubt they were economically developed, but the lifestyle was the same. But now it has been changed. What is that? Thus, it would be incorrect to believe that human development can only be achieved by economic development. So, human development is not only related to income, but also how to use income. There are four major pillars of human development: equality, stability, production, and empowerment. So, the main axis, we can say, the main point of economic development is what? No doubt human development. Human development is no doubt you earn, but you spend on. That is the point. That is the phenomenon style of human development. And what are the main pillars? Number one, equality. Stability. Then production and empowerment. What does this all things is? Equality, equal development of human beings. Equal human development. That's stability. There is a certain stability over there. Not too high, not too low. Stability in life. Economic equality with economic development too. Stability, production according to your talent. How much is the production? How you produce not only goods, material, this all, the style, lifestyle too, and then empowerment. How much empowerment you possess, how much ability you possess. So these four major pillars stands for human development. Four major these pillars stands for human development. Yet human development therefore is getting opportunity to lead a successful and creative life according to one's on taste, interest, skill, intelligence, and capability. Please underline these two lines and last line of the earlier the paragraph above. So what does it say? To lead a successful life and create life according to one's own taste, interest, skill, capability. What? Taste, then interest, then intelligence, then capabilities. Taste. It's not a burger, not a hot dog, not a vada pav, ya dabeli ya puff. That it must be taste cheesy, creamy, whatever you like. What is your taste? Means you are interested in what? The same thing. If you want to be a doctor, go in that. Engineer, businessman, musician, dancer, painter, artisan, lots and lots of field are perfectly. You are good in games, you are good in music, many vast fields are there with interest, and you are with your intelligence. If you are intelligent in that thing, then and then only, and what is your capability to fulfill this thing? That is called particularly human development. Four major pillars were what? Equality, stability, protection and empowerment. And how it comes? It comes due to your taste, due to your interest, due to your intellectuality and due to your capabilities. So this is human development. I would like to stop my lecture till yet. So further we will begin with the next thing. Till that we will continue. This chapter will take somewhat more time. For that I would like to say sorry, but anyhow, this is an important chapter and this is called human development. Have you imagined this thing? Please answer me if you get your time. Till that I would like to thank you my 10th standard students. Thank you very much. God bless you.